In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust track volume in Cakewalk. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. The first one's going to be simply click on your track like this to select it. It gets highlighted and that means it's selected. And then you can go to this inspector over here on the left. Now, if you don't see it, go to views and click on inspector, or just press I on your keyboard to toggle it on or off. From here, you now want to go and use this slider, which is the volume slider. If I go down, it's going to be much more quiet. So this is going to be the normal.
This is just some sample up.
There we go. If I go down like this, you can hear it's much quieter. That's the first way to do this. The second one is using a plugin or effect called gain. So click on here inside your effects, plus button, insert audio effects, go to band lab, and here you can find gain. Click on that and you can of course change the gain over here to of course change the audio or the volume of your track just like this. You can go up or down, up to you. That's the second way. The third one is going to be permanent. You can just click on your audio clip, go to process, apply effect, and from here click on gain, select your new gain, and then hit OK, and that's going to change your volume as well, okay? So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.